everybody, I'm Susan from SRSTYLE. Hope is having a great day. I have unboxing from Amazon today. I did win a contest. So all these items are freebies from the contest. So I'll leave the contest YouTubers information below if you want to find out different information on different gift cards they're giving away. They're giving away Amazon items. They're giving away quite a bit of stuff, and I was able to win some stuff. I don't know what I won, so it's all a surprise, so it's pretty cool. All right, so if you're new here, welcome in. If you're returning, thanks so much for your support. When I reach 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a great giveaway. Loungefly Disney themed mini backpack, brand new, and all you have to do is subscribe. So it's pretty easy. All right, so the contest basically was a list of necessities that you are wanting. So being on a budget and being a senior, you need a lot of things, unfortunately. And by winning them for freebies is even better. Came from Amazon, 2-day shipment. And so like I said, I don't know what's in the boxes, but let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, got my blade. Let's go ahead. It came in a box like this, and I have another box as well. All right. All right, let's see here. And all they ask is I film the inside of the items. So I will definitely do that. All right, so I got one item here. Oh, I got Cascade dishwashing soap. So I got, that was in the one box here. Okay. All right, so I got one item. And then I got another box right here. And let's go ahead and open that up. So I think it's gonna basically be cleaning items, which is fine because I need cleaning items too. All right. All right. So let's see what I got here. All right. They package everything pretty nice. All right, we got Irish Spring body wash. All right, so that will come in handy. That's a 2-pack. So that's pretty cool. Original 2 20 fluid ounce bottles. All right, so we got 2 items. And this is pretty heavy. All right. All right, let's see what's in here. Ah, we got Tide. All right, Ted's here. Hi, everybody.
Hi.
All right, we got Tide Free and Gentle 68 washes. All right, so we got Tide We got Irish Spring. We got two things here. These were freebies. And then we got one Cascade dishwashing.
Good.
All right, so that's my unboxing for today on my freebie. And that's pretty cool. So, yeah. So, I mean, you can't beat a deal like that. All right, thanks for watching. Senior Style with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Bye now.